Rovco believes that we have a range of value-add services that can, add good value to the industry, both for saving time and cost for our customers. And, Rovco has been a company that's actually transitioning to oil and gas from our offshore wind experience. We have a range of experience in that markets that we think can, suit the decommissioning market very well. And, by offering a turnkey solution, many services there that can be attractive.
What services do Rovco offer in decommissioning?
So as I said, we've got a range of services. So starting with our survey work, we have a business line called site characterization. And that covers a range of different surveying techniques from geophysical to geotechnical and even environmental monitoring. So these things are all required in decommissioning, sometimes pre-decommissioning, sometimes post. And the things have to be in place to make sure that what's going on there is in line with government legislation and also customer expectation. Our second sort of business stream, I would say, would be we call site clearance, and that's where we can do analysis of the seabed and categorise what's there for our customers, give them 3D imagery if it's required, and from that information we can take that and create plans as to how to clean up the seabed and any other asset structures and things like that that need to be removed. And then finally, last but not least, is where our real technical focus comes in with our SubSLAM systems. And we use that to define high integrity imagery of subsea assets, given 3D point clouds and 3D models that allows them to get really accurate information on these assets. And that's given the customers a level of insight that they don't currently have.
So Brian, Rovco is presenting a paper tomorrow. Tell us a bit more about what visitors can expect.
We're presenting a paper on how you can use 3D modelling technology in decommissioning solutions. In particular, the SubSLAM device that we've created. It's a brand new technology that allows us to create and basically model 3D in really high, like sub-millimetre accuracy, absolutely live. What this means is you get qualitative data immediately rather than having to wait like a few days to multiple weeks until the data is processed. This shortens the cycle for decommissioning operations from survey through to actual removal, and equally at the same time it gives us much more information about a particular asset. So ceiling faces can be inspected, measurements can be taken exactly at the particular time, which means the cycle again between survey to the engineering move is much shorter, which can make significant savings within decommissioning projects.
So Stephen, why are these services of interest?
Well, basically customers, a lot of risk and cost in decommissioning. We all know that market is captured. All the money spent there is not getting reinvested or generating any future cash. So we recognise that, and our service offering is about helping them to try get better information, better value for money, more timelessly spent, generate that type of thing. So I think there's that aspect of it, and the other thing is that we are a sort of turnkey service provider. So unlike some of the other providers that can do some of these things, we can take the whole package and offer it as a turnkey service, which I think is going to be really valuable. I would call it a sort of one-stop shop for these services. So.
Brian, what does Rovco's future in decommissioning look like? Are you developing any new services as well?
Yeah. So this business has been built on making brand new technology that makes a difference to the industry. So yes, we've got multiple new technologies, things that we're working on that will make a difference to both the decommissioning industry and our main industry in offshore wind at the same time. To give a sneak peek, we have all the technology built for autonomous vehicles to fully autonomously survey entire structures and unknown fields that they've not encountered before. This will be coming out through 2024. We're currently developing technology to link that with autonomous surface vessels so they can together, through basically SimOps, work together to survey a field fully autonomously. And we're not talking about remote operations, we're talking about fully autonomous operations where both the survey vessel and the underwater vehicle work in tandem to survey without human input, rather than just being controlled from afar. We have AI technologies coming through. We are using ChatGPT to analyze inspection data. There's a whole host of technologies that we're building over the next few years that will make a significant difference to this industry.